mom of these little bullies right here. See her head in that bowl. That's a cooking pot, kitchen pot right there. See these puppies. Royal family bully, times Gotti line legend, 2 times Gotti line legend. Put some pics of the boy up in a minute. Make a little collage of the mom and the dad. But this is what we got on ground right now. Little beast. Already they only 2 weeks, probably like 15, 20 pounds. I'm gonna get a little scale. This is what we working with. Papers or without papers. We could do whatever.